want to be. Okay.
Well, you know, a lot of what we've been seeing here now in spring is less to do with geopolitical tensions and more with the switch over to summer gasoline as we approach warmer weather. And what we've been seeing here is that refineries typically use this time of year to do maintenance at their facilities. And as refineries come out of maintenance and boost production, that's allowed gas prices to slow the increase. In fact, now start to decrease. So certainly a good sign from the EIA, that is the Energy Information Administration, that refineries are starting to finish maintenance ahead of the summer driving season and are boosting production. That's one of the big reasons why gas prices now have started to slow. As we approach the summer months, it's more of what's going on here in this country with refinery maintenance that determines prices. Whereas if we're outside of the springtime period, it really is demand and a balance of geopolitical factors. And certainly any geopolitical issue from the Middle East has a potential to cause a flare-up in gasoline prices, just like we saw with the Iran situation around Christmas. Gas prices almost immediately went up. Same thing with Egypt. So any geopolitical tension in the Middle East does have the possibility to take its toll on gas prices. But for the rest of the year, it really has to do with fundamental supply and demand and perceived expectations of what summer will be like in terms of demand from motorists.
Okay, counting the money. Okay.
So you've seen consumers state for the first time ever that gas mileage is their #1 concern when buying a car. You see them picking the highest mileage option of all of the engines. So yeah, over the longer term, say in the next couple of years, that change is going to have a big impact on the price of gasoline. But if you were to ask, how about now, between now and the election, I don't think it's going to have a chance to really bite in between now and the election. But when you get into 2013, 2014, with all those higher mileage cars on the road, you're going to see gasoline demand in the U.S. slump, and that's what we started to see in some of the numbers, and that should bring down the prices.